Other news, I am so excited. Sunday, it's the Super Blood Wolf Moon. What does that mean? Well, Lisa Sugar sat down with my alter ego, Cosmic Ken, to talk about this celestial event. Super moon, that just means a full moon, and when the moon is at its closest kind of in its orbit around Earth, they call it a super moon. It is brighter and it will be larger in the night sky, so that's good when we're having a total lunar eclipse. We'll get into that. Wolf is a name the Native Americans gave to the January full moon. Each full moon has a different name. You could go online, look up why they're called that. But finally, the blood moon, that means it's a total lunar eclipse. So Lisa, I'm gonna have you hold the sun here.
Okay.
Got that? Okay, so there's the sun. And then we're going to have the Earth right here and the moon here. So the total eclipse just means that the moon is going to have the Earth kind of blocking the sun, so there's going to be a shadow on it. And the reason they call it the blood moon is the Earth's atmosphere will actually scatter the blue light from the sun. Some will still get through, and it will be red light that hits the moon. So you'll actually see on Sunday night, naked eye, no telescope, no anything, it'll be red. So they call it the blood moon. So why isn't there always an eclipse going on once a month when we get a full moon? And the answer to that is the moon actually, when it orbits around the Earth, goes up or it'll be down a little bit. So I think twice a year or something, it lines up perfectly with the sun and the Earth, and we get that total lunar eclipse. It's going to be cold. I think it's like -2 degrees. It's probably going to be cloudy, but I think there'll be some breaks where you can see it. But yeah, you don't need any equipment, and it's safe. It's not like the lunar eclipse where you need special glasses. You can go out there, just give it a look. And again, the nice thing is if it is cloudy, it lasts for a little bit. I mean, this thing is going to start at 9:35 p.m. That's when what they call the penumbra the moon will enter that part of the shadow. And then the partial eclipse will start at 10:34 p.m. Totality, this is when you might want to get out there. Big part of the show, 11:41 p.m. And then this is actually the big part of the show. It will be at its peak at 12:12 a.m. on Monday morning. So get outside. It will last until about 12:43 a.m. totality. So you have what, like a half hour there? If it's a little cloudy, just keep peeking out, see what's going on, and you'll be able to catch a glimpse of the blood moon. It ends, by the way, I'm sorry, at 1:51 a.m. It'll totally be over by then.
All right, so maybe this will inspire someone else to become a Cosmic Ken in our audience. What do you think?
Absolutely. Grab a NASA shirt. And how about this? So this year will also mark 50 years since we landed on the moon for the first time, the Apollo program. So while you're looking up this weekend, give that a thought. We were there.
All righty, good stuff. If you want to know more, call this guy because he's really into it. Cosmic Ken will return to SSPTV News.
If you see me with a backwards hat, I'm Cosmic Ken, and I will be out on Sunday night. I'll try to go Facebook Live a few times on the SSPTV News page as I try to get some shots of the Super Blood Wolf Moon. And remember to bundle up if you head outside. It's going to be bitter cold.